Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your internet and knowing the current Microsoft account details so Windows can sync settings. Open Start, click Settings, then Accounts. This is where sign-in methods live. Once done, choose Email and Accounts or your info depending on build, because Windows groups linked identities there. Make sure you have your new account email and password ready, and if you use two-factor authentication, keep that phone or authenticator app available to approve sign-in requests. Now you switch accounts. Under your info, choose Sign In with a Microsoft account instead, or go to Email and Accounts and add an account. Enter the new Microsoft email and password. Windows may prompt for verification, so complete any 2FA steps. Once accepted, Windows may create a new user profile. This is why you decide whether to keep local files or move them. Make sure to check the account settings page and sync options so OneDrive, themes, and passwords follow the new account. Finish by confirming the new Microsoft account is listed and that sync settings are enabled so Preferences and OneDrive join your profile. Move files from the old user folder, desktop, documents, pictures into the new profile if needed. This preserves data. If something goes wrong, first verify the password and 2FA, then remove any cached credentials via Credential Manager, restart the PC, and try signing in again. If issues persist, temporarily create a local admin to adjust account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.